First, we'll cover some basic information about the PIR sensor HS-SR501 in this video. Then we'll dive into constructing a straightforward PIR burglar alarm circuit. This module offers two adjustable settings, one for time delay and the other for sensitivity adjustment. The white dome, called Fresnel lenses, encloses the pyroelectric sensor, increasing detection range. It measures 23 millimeters in diameter and appears. Starting with this knob, here's the rearranged sentence. This knob allows us to adjust the sensitivity, enabling variation from 3 meters to 7 meters perpendicular to the sensor. Sensitivity decreases as we move away from the center of the sensor. This is the infrared sensitive crystal that detects the infrared radiation from the human body. Now that you have a basic understanding of what the PIR sensor is, it's time to assemble the motion sensor light switch circuit on the breadboard. Arrange all the components on the Vero board and use jumper wires to connect them according to the on-screen diagram. You can copy all the necessary images from the link provided in the description. Finally, install the PIR module on the breadboard and ensure all connections are made properly according to the on-screen diagram. Even though the PIR operates with 3.3 volts from a 5-volt DC supply, we opt out of using a 5 volts regulator to keep things simple. Instead, a 1 kOhm limiting resistor reduces the 12-volt supply to 3.3 volts. Additionally, the PIR module's PCB already contains a built-in 3.3 volts regulator. Apply a 12-volt DC power supply to the module to activate the motion sensor light bulb circuit. Upon detecting human presence, the PIR module generates 3.3 volts electrical pulses. These pulses switch on the relay driver transistor, promptly activating the relay. The buzzer, connected to the relay, emits beeps to indicate human presence in the area. Instead of the buzzer, you can connect any device according to your needs, such as security lights or warning alarms. PIR Motion Sensor detects infrared radiation emitted by a moving human body. It then generates a pulse to activate connected devices such as relays, bulbs, alarms, or other security-related devices. When the PIR module senses human presence, it generates a pulse and sends it to the relay driver module. The relay then activates the connected alarm or light bulb.